Hi. So it's exam time again. And in our last exam, we have studied about lesson 17 to lesson 24. And for today's exam, the content will be vocabularies from lesson 25 to lesson 30. The first question here, which one is the hunt of Shao Tuo? Do you guys still remember? A here is 戒指, B is 项链, C is 珍珠, and D is 手镯. And therefore, D is the right answer for this question. The next one here, which one is the hunter of 肥皂? I'll give you time to think. A is 肥皂, B 洗澡, C 牙刷, and D is 牙膏. 肥皂 here is A. The next question, which one is the hunter of Tian? You can try to recall first. A is Tian, B is Ren, C is Sui, and D is Tian. The right answer for this question is D. Do you guys get the correct answer for this question? And it's actually a little bit tricky here between A and D because they both sound Tian and Tian. Moving on to the next question. Which one is the hunter of Re? If you cannot remember, it doesn't matter, just try to guess first. A is Bing, B is Lang, C is Re, and D is Nuan. Re here is C, and C is the right answer for this question. Moving on to the next one. Which one is the hunter of Ke? I hope that you guys still remember. A is Chi, B is Ke, C is He, and D is E. And Ke here is B. The next one, which one is the hunter of Shang? Which one do you think is the right answer? Is it A, B, C, or D? A is Xia, B is Shang, C is Da, and D is Xiao. So B is the right answer for this question. Shang. The next question for today. Which one is the Hanzi of Nanhe? You guys can try to guess. A is 难吃, B is 好吃, C is 难喝, and D is 好喝. And 难喝 here is C. Moving on to the next question. Which one is the Hanzi of Jiangshui? Do you guys still remember? I will give you time to think. A is 结晶, B is 毛巾, C is 香水, and D is 温度. And the right answer for this question is C, because C is 香水. And that's all for today's exam. If there's still a lot of questions that you guys cannot understand, you can try to leave a comment. And thanks a lot, guys. I'll see you on our next exam.